Good morning. Today is 10th of March. Let's check the morning routine. What happened yesterday and how we are being placed today. So yesterday, checking the Nifty. So Nifty opened with a gap and then it remained above only, and it has crossed this 15097 levels. Um, where we were expecting this to go on the higher side. So it remained up for the rest of the day. Let's check as far as the Bank Nifty is concerned. Bank Nifty has not done much, but definitely it remained up above the 685 levels, what we were looking at. So going down to the lower time frames. Okay. So in the lower time frames, what happened was it went to this 36032 levels, went up. Okay, and this is the 1 day ka chart. Let's check the 90 day ka. Okay, so where we had seen the uh, resistance, what it did, and then how it played the whole day. So in this case, what we were looking at in the early morning, this 35888 wala thing went down, but it the 240 levels 35616, the line where from where it had gone up. Okay, it took this support, went up again, came down. So the whole day Bank Nifty was really volatile. Okay, really volatile. 200 points, 400 points, up down, up down. uh, Going by the call and put ka thing. Okay, let's check the call and put. So call and put also, uh, early morning, there was a gap opening, went up to 263. Okay, and then coming down very sharply. Okay, and then from there again going up at the end of the day, around uh, around 2 o'clock, the movement again started. So if we see this on a daily chart, okay, which is very important, on a daily chart, it took this support of this 137 what we were looking at, and then went up on the higher side. So buying low and selling high, very very important. While 4900 continued to move down because it the price were going above the 1500 levels. So this is very very important. Okay, in this case also same thing. Okay, it went down and then pushed it up, while the P of 1500 went down very sharply. Okay, so please understand that the sell off was at 54, almost 550. Okay, and now at 32, while this also started around 400, but still understand that it is at 145. Okay, so if you see this 600 800 points of the price being taken home, and then the theta decay happening, even while the price keeps on dancing up and down, it doesn't make any difference, while the theta decay kills all the profits whatever there. And on an intraday basis, yes, you can make money intraday, not a problem at all, but that is what the game is all about. While uh, the the price, okay, of a put falls very fast, okay, while the price remains on the higher side. Okay, same thing for 14900 also. Once this level was broken, the price went really down fast. So very important that what to do, okay, and when to do, as far as your uh, theta decay game is concerned. Okay, one stock which somebody had asked was Britannia. Okay, and let's go to the daily chart of Britannia. And the issue was that it is below the 50 and 200-day moving average. Let's check this out. So double moving average being below 50 and 200-day moving average. Okay, keeping it simple only. See, price had gone below the 50 and 200-day moving average right over here at this particular junction only. Then it went down further, okay, only to climb up again, trying to touch the 50K moving average, but it is not even above the 50 moving average. While this was the weekly support 3396 levels, which yesterday it again took the support of 3396 level. So anything below 3396 level, yes, and there can be a issue as far as your daily 50 and 200-day moving average is concerned. Okay. Secondly, let's check the weekly levels also. So on a weekly level, okay, it is around this price of around the price of 50. So one more day, and if the price remains above the 50, then we can say the sell-off is not there. But yes, 101%, this is right now into a channel. It is into the channel, okay, and this is very, very important that this channel, this is a weekly chart, okay, and this is a channel what we are looking at. So there could be some downfall over here while the price needs to break the channel to go up. So right now the sell every time trying to go outside the channel, it is getting beaten down. And now on a daily chart, the 50 200-day moving average is also down. So yes, like all the stocks, even this stock which had given a wonderful move, almost doubled, and now it is slowly and steadily trying to come down, right? So this is as far as the analysis of this particular part is concerned. So anything below 3396, again the sell-off will be there. Okay, there is a one weekly support which was there at the earlier point of 3266 68 levels. Okay, will now what we are looking for is, will it come over here and then give a sell-off again to come down? Probably. Yeah, this is a weekly chart. Now for this particular month, okay, this is a yearly, quarterly results also. Okay, so most of the selling is happening by the DIS, okay, and they want their funds to be profitable, shown as a profitable thinker. Okay, and we will see that Nifty slowly and steadily being kept on the upper side only. Okay, while the stocks can be beaten down. So right now we are our entry should be somewhere around 3250 levels only when it comes in between over here, or we will have to see it further because this is a weekly chart. Okay, yes, it is below the 50 and 200-day, so technically weak as far as the levels are concerned. Okay, now will this level of 3400 holds? Now if it holds, then it will dance over here for some time before it tends to break outside this particular zone. Okay, so we'll have to wait for 1 or 2 days. It can go sideways, okay, to up move. Okay, today also SGF Nifty is up, so we are going to open on the upper side. Okay, now what will happen? yesterday we had discussed one stock, which was the Godrej Industry. Okay, this was one stock which we had discussed, which was Godrej Industry. We were here at 480 levels. Okay, and it went to 518, touching our first target of 504. Okay, now see the way it went up so strongly. Why? Because this is a weekly chart. Okay, this is a weekly chart. Let me show you the daily chart. So why we had picked up Godrej Industry, and why from 480 levels where we had seen this, okay, went up so strongly, right? Because this was above the 50, 200-day moving average, blah blah blah, whatever you can say. Okay, now in this case you can see the 50 and 200-day moving average, while the price went up to 455, again came down. Okay, again trying to go beyond 455. Okay, and then not able to break this 455, and this is the place where it actually broke the 455 levels. Okay, and then there was a strong movement on the upper side. So a drop of almost 40 points. There was technically a profit booking happening right on the top. While as a technical analysis, we had this target of 504. Okay, went up little bit on the upper side. Perfectly all right, not a problem at all, because nobody can catch the top, nobody can catch the bottom. So anything above 504 is a good exit as a technical analysis, where we were able to make more than 50 points on this particular movement of Godrej Industry. Now you will ask me whether it is still a buy. Yes, definitely it is still a buy, because after so long it has broken this 455 levels. Okay, and it is on the upper side. But always remember to buy low and sell high. And equity may, it is always going to be there. Okay, anything which goes up, okay, it slowly and steadily comes down, like how you saw the Britannia, how you saw so many other stocks. Okay, slowly and steadily it comes down again to being pushed up. But always as an investor, you want to buy low and sell high, simple as that. Okay, now today what is going to be the scenario as far as Nifty and Bank Nifty is concerned? Okay, so yesterday what was very strong was the HDFC Bank, which was strong. Okay, and it has touched this 566 wala levels, so this was strong. Okay, if it is going to continue today, we will be looking at one more green color candle on the top, because if we see this, there is a momentum on the upper side. Let's check the SBI also. Okay, SBI, like he said, it did not break this 394 wala levels, and technically the buy was avoided. Okay, while it came down, even while the Bank Nifty was trying to go up. Okay, so open high low, which we had discussed, Bandhan Bank did not do anything much. Okay, Axis Bank was strong yesterday. Okay, but there was at the end the profit booking which took place. So anything above 754 will be a technical buy on this also. Anything above 754. Okay, Kotak Bank gave a strong move on the upper side. So Kotak Bank was one of the movers as far as the Bank Nifty was concerned, and Indus Bank from 20 levels to going up till 43 on the higher side, and now it is given the doji. So anything, see this, anything below 1000, that is a round number. Okay, then and then only the sell happens, otherwise the sell doesn't happen. Okay, so very, very important that when you see a round number, okay, don't sell over there just for the sake of selling, because round number mein, there is a possibility of again going up. It is like you touching that round number and then coming down. Now over here, when it is coming to a round number and then going up. Okay, so this is important. So what we are looking at now is what will happen today. Okay, so Bank Nifty ka levels. Let us check the Bank Nifty levels. Okay, so daily May it is on the upper side. Okay, again there will be a gap opening. So 240 minutes May, what it is going to do? Let's check this out. So in 240 minutes, anything above 36,032. Okay, we want to become a buyer on this after 32. Simple as that. Now, if there is going to be a gap opening, so definitely वो ऊपर ही खुलने वाला है around 36,032 वाला levels पे. Okay. So that is where there'll be we are looking for a buy at that particular junction. Okay, and then once it means goes above the 32 levels. Okay, 100 points to 150 points, that is 36 to 80 level talak ka should be our first target. Okay, so this is where our supply zone is on the upper side also. So in the 60 minute the price is above the 50 moving average, above the 200 moving average. Okay, and on 125 minutes, let's check the 125. Okay, same thing above this. So now the selling will only come after 35,616 is broken. Okay, right now there will be a gap opening. So we are looking for the price to start above the 36,032 levels only. Okay, and over here, now this will become one of the resistance for you on an intraday basis. Okay, price going up. If it comes back to 32, doesn't go below 32, you are safe, and then again trying to go up. So today morning there will be a gap opening around above 185 or directly at 285 only. सीधा 200 पॉइंट का गैप मार के ऊपर चला जाएगा. Then you again will miss that opportunity of a buying. Okay, now you will have to wait for the first 10 minutes, and then whatever action as far as the charts, we will have to follow the charts accordingly. But in this case, you saw this 35,616 levels not been able to break yesterday also. So this now will act as a very, very, very strong support. Okay, now this is dancing over here at this second levels, but now we have this 2 points. Okay, 281 and 36580 levels. So today we will be looking at this particular range, anything above 36,032. Okay, going to 281, and if it remains on the top, right up till 36,583 levels. Okay, now what happens in case it doesn't go beyond this, and then it dance, and if it wants to come down, then we will be in a sell mode. Otherwise Bank Nifty today will be staying on the top. Okay, today being Wednesday, tomorrow is an expiry. Okay, but expiry ke point of view say, okay, all the call price have now on the higher side, while the put price technically has gone down, like we saw in the Nifty also. Okay, so what they will do is they will keep the Nifty on the upper side, while the put technically now becomes zero at the end of the expiry. Okay, let's check the Nifty. Okay, Nifty may, which are the stocks which are strong. Okay, most of the stocks are looking strong, while only one stock is looking weak, that is Bharti. So please don't go about just selling for the sake of selling. Okay, when the market remains up, we become a buyer. In this case also we have seen that this 7331 wala levels has not been broken till now. So anything above 7331, we want to become a buyer in Maruti also. So anything above 331. So in this case, suppose I'm just showing you how to go about it. I can keep an entry over here. Okay, at 39. Then I will have to keep my stop loss. What will be my stop loss? Say I will keep a stop loss of say 50 points. Okay, roughly below the high of the previous this thing. Okay, just to give you an idea, anything below 7.3. Okay, anything because sometimes it tends to come down to the 7.3 levels. Okay, and trying to go up, and then I will have my targets on the upper side at these levels. So it has opened at 7316 levels. Okay, so do I want to buy this over here? Okay, then my stop loss now should be little below this, about 20-30 points, and then immediately I can buy this. Okay, so the best buy will be where after the 31 is broken. Now if I want to buy this over here, okay, my stop loss will be very crucial in this particular case. Okay, now why I am keeping my stop loss below the 7300 levels? Always remember, round figure always plays a very big game. Okay, it plays a very big game, and this is always going to happen. Okay, so I'm just buying this at this particular junction. Okay, and once it goes above the 7331 level, I can buy more. Okay, so okay, now just removing this, all these lines. See why this is a 125 minutes wala thing, right? Let's go to 5 minutes. What it did was came down to this 7300 wala levels. Now if you want to become a buyer, you buy low. Okay, and this is where your stop loss should be. This is where your stop loss should be. Okay, and when it goes above the 7331, you can add more into this. Okay, this is a 5-minute chart. Okay, let's go to, suppose you want to buy this. Now you will have to have your stop loss down below at this junction. Okay, now see why this 7331 wala level is so important, because that is a weekly level. Okay, that is a weekly level. So this, once it goes above, then it will remain on the upper side while the Nifty is still strong. Okay, this is where early morning money can be made in this particular fashion, wherein you buy low with a clear stop loss in place, and if you if the price goes up, you are going to make money on this, right? See this. Okay, simple as that. This is the basic rule, early morning rules, which can be followed very clearly. Okay, now when the first 10 minutes rule of the game. Okay, so how we are going to play the first 10 minutes ka rule? So this is your 10 minutes rule. Okay, now my stop loss can be over here when I take a entry over on this particular thing. So anything above this, I want to become a buyer. Okay, and what is the ATR for this? What is the ATR for this? About 75 points to 100 points. You made your 50, 30, 50 points on the upper side. That's the end of the thing. right? So this is very important, that your entry makes a hell of a lot of difference. See, early morning, while we got an entry somewhere over here, okay, you already have 20-30 points in front of you. That's it. Now if you have taken an entry over here also at 33 also, 20 points on the upside. As an intraday player, if you have bought 100 shares and you sold 100 shares, 20 points on the upper side, 2000 rupees done in the first 10-15 minutes only, chapter over. But the point is, you have to have a plan of action for this. So yesterday this was not broken, right? While the price did not go below this 7271 levels, and today we were able to get an entry on this particular thing. Okay, so very important that once you get your levels right, okay, whatever happens to Nifty, Bank Nifty, you will have to concentrate on few of the stocks, and that stock will give the money to you. Okay, let's check the Bank Nifty. Okay, just check one in a minute. What are the stocks doing? Almost flat to Indus Bank is the one which is very strong. Okay, so let's check the Bank Nifty, what it has done. So like I said, the gap opening will be there. So 36,032K upper, the price had opened and then went up strongly. It has not gone above the 36,281 levels in the first 5 minutes. Okay, so now if you want to play the game, right? So this is the first 10 minutes ka rule. Use the 10 minutes chart. Always remember to use the 10 minutes chart. Okay. So anything above 36244 will be a buy till 281. Now the gap is very small on the upper side. So I will wait for the 10 minutes candle to complete his move and sit above the 36244 levels. Okay. And anything below 36094, okay, will be sell. Okay. Important level for us is 36032. So anything below 32 will take it down right up till 35888. So these are the 4 levels now with you as far as your Bank Nifty is concerned. So this level of 35,888. Okay. Now if it doesn't go beyond this 36244, comes down, so the selling for us then will be 36094 ke niche. So let it sit below the 36094 to go in the sell mode. Simple as that. Okay. The pressure will remain. Okay. Let's check the Nifty. So Nifty also, check out Nifty also, it is in between. While the price, if it remains above this 15,230 levels, it is fine. Barabar. Lekin it is technically a false breakout wala karyakram because of the gap opening. Okay. So if it remains below this 5,230 levels, okay, slowly, steadily, it will come to fill up the gap down below over here. Now, anything below 15,140 levels, then we will see a more selling happening. So in this case, let's use the 10 minutes wala rule. Okay, so anything above 15,262, I will go in buy. Otherwise, I will wait for the candle to give me a correct picture. Okay, what is holding the Nifty? Reliance still holding. Okay, Reliance is not given anything much, but every time Reliance is going on the upper side, it is being sold. See this since the last 3-4 days. Every time it is going up, it is being sold. Every time it is going up, it is being sold. Every time it is going up, it is being sold. So anything below 2200, the selling is becoming really fast. Okay, so that will probably bring down the Nifty also. Okay, that will probably bring down the Nifty also. So we will wait for the candle to complete its move before we take an action. But now it's very clear that on the upper side, the Nifty is not holding. Let's check the Bank Nifty also. On the upper side, even the Bank Nifty is not holding. Slowly and steadily, the price are, whatever is the gap being on the upper side, slowly and steadily it is coming down. Okay, well, let's check the Bank Nifty. As far as Indus Bank is concerned, that is the only one which is keeping it up. Otherwise, all are flat to this thing. Okay, so this is what is the early morning thing. So up and down of the market will continue. Okay, what is most important is how you are going to play the game, and you need to play the game right. Okay, wherever you are looking at a buy side or a sell side, okay, you need to understand why you want to buy or why you want to sell. Okay, let's go to so there is not too much of selling as far as other stocks are concerned, but we are seeing the Nifty, the call prices were at a very high. Now if you see this, the call price is definitely opened with a gap only. Okay, see this, the call price definitely opened with a gap only, and then it is coming down. But now the put price technically almost becoming zero. See this, the put price almost technically becoming zero only. So very important that when you are doing your call put ka thing, okay, once the direction is clear, the other thing is going to go to zero for sure. Okay, so don't get into that buy and sell mode just for the sake of buying and selling. Okay, very important that you have your clear understanding of what you want to do. Godrej industry dekh lete hain, what it has done today. Okay, so not done much because yesterday there was a very big movement which took place from 480 levels to 519 levels. Now again coming back to the same level. अभी उसको टाइम लगेगा ऊपर भागने के लिए. ओके, व्हाई? बिकॉज जो भी मोमेंटम था वो मोमेंटम खत्म हो गया. ओके, सो लेट्स चेक व्हाट इज आवर मारुति डूइंग. So Maruti is still holding this 7331 level levels. Okay, and let's check the 10 minutes ka rule. Okay, so you can add only after 73557 is now broken, not otherwise. But 20 points का मूवमेंट मिल गया. इनफैक्ट 7300 के आजू बाजू मिलता था तो 50 पॉइंट्स का मूवमेंट था. So this is what is very important, that when you take a call, okay, you take a call which is correct. Now check the 60 minutes ka this thing. Okay, in the 60-minute also seems to be strong, but sitting above becomes very important. Sitting above becomes very important. 7331 wala levels becomes very important. Okay, today morning, if it is going to break, it is going to remain above this 7331 wala levels. You are going to make money on this. Okay, any questions? Okay.
So Maruti, why did you not wait for it to cross the? Can you just open the Maruti chart again?
Yeah.
Yeah. Why did you buy before 7331 level was crossed?
Yes. See, buying before 7331 was crossing was today market was opening with a gap.
Okay.
Secondly, Maruti yesterday, if you see the when we had discussed about this on a daily chart, right? We had already drawn this 7331 kawala levels. Yes or no? Yesterday it was unable to cross this 7331 wala level, right? But it the lower high abhi bhi bana hua hai.
Okay.
Okay. So
Okay.
what
So
was
what momentum is there?
so there was momentum which I could see,
Okay.
right?
Okay. Okay.
So जब भी momentum दिख रहा है, तो what I did was simple 30-40 पॉइंट का स्टॉप लॉस लगा के buy very close to 7300 वाला level and you were able to make 20-30 points. So early morning में this is a clear anticipation of what is going to happen and vis-a-vis to what the stock has already done for the day.
Okay, fine.
Understood?
Thanks. Yeah.
So early morning mein I will not wait for 200 points ka gain. I will only wait for 20-30 points to be given to me because FNO mein 20-30 points is more than sufficient for pura din ka understanding ke liye. Right? Like I always say, in Bank Nifty, 100 points is what you are looking at. Now, if you consistently are able to make 100 points, it is bound to give you that result what you want. Okay. So what was most important in this case was, check this out. Yesterday, we had drawn this line of 7271. Now, yesterday, it did not break this 7271 wala line. Yes or no? तो अपना छोटा सा स्टॉप लॉस के साथ में the momentum always is going to be there. Understood?
Yes.
Okay. Now the momentum means 10 minute का candle बन गया है. Now if you want to become a buyer, okay, and if you want to play the 10 minutes वाला game, so buy. You can only buy after 7357 is broken. Yes or no? But then why not buy low सस्ता and then sell somewhere around 57 or 57 के ऊपर जाएगा तो add more into the position. But the issue is early morning trades are fast trades, 20-30 points wala movement and you are done for the whole day. Okay. Now you will have to play the 10 minutes wala rule. So वो 10 minutes वाला rule क्या करने वाला है? Okay, buy low and then sell high. So you will have to wait for the candles to give you the picture ना कहाँ पे जाने वाला है. Yes or no?
Yes.
See this. Now, if I'm following my 10 minutes rule, I will have to wait for the 10 minutes to give me the correct picture. Right? लेकिन अभी ये 3331 के अभी ये 10 मिनट के चार्ट में कितना ऊपर गया 7357 ओके एंड 7285 अभी इन बिटवीन लेंगे ना आप जो भी करने वाले हो तो जब भी सस्ता मिलता है तभी लो एंड ऊपर में तो खत्म हो गया नाउ यू वांट टू बाय दिस ओके यू कैन बाय बिकॉज 30 इसको कैंडल को 7331 के ऊपर बैठने के लिए दीजिए ऑन अ 10 मिनट्स एंड देन वी नो फॉर श्योर कि यहाँ पे भी हम लोग ने 7346 पे भी अगर हम लोग ने खरीदा and it is going above this 7357 I will once it closes above 7357 okay I will wait for one more candle and then I can add into the position समझ में आया इंट्राडे के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से
Yes.
hope I am very clear on this correct
Yes.
okay so normally मेरे को पूछते हैं कि भाई स्टॉप लॉस कहाँ पे लगाने का. तो स्टॉप लॉस इज, हाउ विल यू डिफाइन अ स्टॉप लॉस? सो प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड स्टॉप लॉस को कैसे डिफाइन होता है. आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू आइडिया ऑन दिस. ओके, सपोज एंट्री, एक सेकंड. So where you are going to put your stop loss? तो यहाँ पे एक ऑल्टरनेटिव अवेलेबल है. सपोज हम लोग ने यहाँ पे एंट्री लिया, ठीक है, यहाँ पे सपोज अपना स्टॉप लॉस लगाया, ठीक है, यहाँ पे सपोज अपना स्टॉप लॉस लगाया, 50 पॉइंट का स्टॉप लॉस है. ओके, आई एम पुटिंग इट बिलो द 71 वाला लेवल, ठीक है. एंड योर टारगेट, ओके, तो टारगेट भी सपोज 1:1 का ट्रेड के हिसाब से टारगेट भी यही लगाया. ओके, नाउ सी दिस, व्हेन आई बाय दिस सपोज, ओके, नाउ माय रिस्क पर ट्रेड इज फिक्स. 375 रुपीज मेरा टूटेगा. आई कैन बाय 7 shares. Okay, my maximum loss will be 375 and my earning also will be 375. तो ये 1:1 का ट्रेड हुआ, रिस्क टू रिवॉर्ड रेशियो. अंडरस्टूड? नाउ आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू दिस. सपोज मैंने एक ही ट्रेड लिया, तो हाउ मच आई विल लूज? मैक्सिमम 50 रुपीज. अंडरस्टूड? सो आई एम जस्ट प्रोसीडिंग विद द ट्रेड. Okay, so the trade is now activated. Okay, so maximum loss, see this maximum loss is how much? यहाँ पे 50 रुपया. What is the maximum gain? 50 रुपया. So this is 1:1 का trade. Now would you like to have this 1:1 का trade? Simple as that. So again I am saying is कि I can add into this position, suppose यहाँ पे, but then my target also should be big ना. तो टारगेट कहाँ पे हो सकता है? तो अभी आपके पास कोई ऑल्टरनेटिव नहीं है क्या टारगेट ढूंढने के लिए? तो ये जो टारगेट है वो कैसे रखोगे आप? ऑन व्हाट ग्राउंड्स विल यू कीप द टारगेट्स? तो आपको एटलीस्ट वो एटीआर मालूम होना चाहिए, एवरेज ट्रेडिंग रेंज ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर स्टॉक. यस और नो? तो एवरेज ट्रेडिंग रेंज कितना होता है उसका? तो यू विल हैव टू गो एंड फाइंड आउट द एवरेज ट्रेडिंग रेंज. स्टडी में जाइए, ऐड करिए, ATR में जाइए and apply this. Okay, so this you will get an average trading range. In this case it is 15 points in a 10 minutes. लेकिन अभी 10 minutes वाला अंडरस्टैंडिंग के बदले let's check the 60 minutes. Okay, so 60 minutes में what is the average range? Somewhere around 48 points. तो 57 plus 48 that is your टेक्निकल टारगेट, अगर वो 50 पॉइंट के हिसाब से है तो. लेकिन 50 पॉइंट तो नहीं मिलने वाला है. जस्ट गिविंग यू एन आइडिया, 50 पॉइंट नहीं मिलने वाला है. तो वी वांट टू लुक एट ओनली 30 पॉइंट्स, नॉट द टॉप एंड द बॉटम. बीच वाला 30 पॉइंट्स वी शुड बी एबल टू कैच. अंडरस्टूड? हैव यू गॉट दिस और नॉट? Okay, so now if I want to take a trade above the 35 33 wala levels, okay, I will wait for this candle to complete its move and then I will take a trade. Okay, let the candle complete its move. So 5 मिनट का कैंडल यूज कर रहे हैं हम लोग. Okay, so 5 मिनट के बाद में कैंडल कंप्लीट हुआ, then I will put my entry, stop loss and my target in place. Now see, in this case अभी मेरा जो स्टॉप लॉस है इसको आराम से मैं ऊपर लाके छोड़ सकता हूं एंड आई डोंट लूज एनी मनी. यस और नो? बिकॉज ऑलरेडी 20 पॉइंट्स के ऊपर ऊपर आ गया है, राइट? सो आई कैन ब्रिंग माई स्टॉप लॉस टू 0 एंड देन आई कैन जस्ट वेट. ओके, Now once the candle completes its move, now I know कि ये 733.1 को respect कर रहा है. Okay, now you want to take one more entry over here. Okay, I will wait for the candle to complete this move. Please understand, 20 point तो मस्ती मस्ती में ये plus minus कर रहा है. Okay, so entry. Now my stop loss, I can keep it small. Okay, I will not put it down below over here. Okay, and then I will keep my target accordingly. Okay, so I will wait for the candle to complete its move and then I will take one more action. Okay, तो ये 5 मिनट वाला कैंडल को मैं कंप्लीट करने को दे रहा हूं. Okay, so anything above this I want to become a buyer now. समझ में आया? See, this is very important for me. This level is very important for me. So now bullish engulfing हो गया है. Okay, can I take a trade? Yes, I can take a trade over here, or I can just keep a trade over here on the upper side. Okay, now this is a bullish engulfing, yes or no? Now want to buy. Okay, and place your entries, just giving you a clear picture. Place your entry, confirm. Okay, so this is a bullish engulfing, yes or no? Now you want to buy, right? Anything above this, the price will tend to go up. Now you can have a smaller stop loss also, but इसका ATR आपको clearly मालूम होना चाहिए. Now if you want to keep a smaller stop loss, I can keep a smaller stop loss 50% over here, and then I can take an entry over here. Okay, okay, and that's it. See, it's very important that you don't chase the price. The lower the price, the better for you, because फिर ऊपर जाने के लिए उसके पास जगह होना चाहिए. Okay, correct. So ये 36 वाला trade is getting rejected for some reason, but anyway, we will have to ensure that something is wrong. I will have to check that up. But entry कभी लेते हैं? See, ऊपर जाता है, slowly coming down, but the pressure of coming down is not there, and then again trying to go up. Okay, so anything above 54, again we can go ahead and buy more. Okay, while जब भी ये stop loss है, उसको आप आराम से ऊपर लेके आ सकते हो once this candle gets completed. Then you don't give anything back to the market. Okay, and then when it goes up, you can trail it out. Okay, so what has Nifty done? Nifty slowly and steadily अभी भी नीचे जा रहा है. Okay, गैप भरने के लिए स्लोली एंड स्टेडीली नीचे जाता है. अभी ये 1502 वाला लेवल्स. ओके, इट्स अ राउंड फिगर. 15200 वाला इज अ राउंड फिगर, बट लेट्स चेक द बैंक निफ्टी आल्सो. ओके, सो ये 10 मिनट्स वाला रूल के हिसाब से दिस इज ब्रोकन द 10 मिनट्स वाला रूल. ओके, so we are now not going to buy unless and until it goes above chapter over. Okay, 10 मिनट्स के रूल के हिसाब से 36094 के नीचे बंद आ गया है. So now once it breaks this 36,032 wala levels, then we are looking for almost 50 to 100 points का movement on the downside. So जबरदस्ती से buy नहीं करने का unless and until now we get a clear picture of a up move. Okay, let's check. Only one stock which was 3% up is already down by 2.5%. So बाकी के सब stock धीरे धीरे करके भी weak हो गए. Okay, लेकिन confirmation नहीं मिल रहा है. So once anything okay below this, the sell will be more stronger. Okay, 10 मिनट का रूल को फिर से एक बार देख लो.
Sir, the candle should close below that, or how?
Close below. Close below.
Okay.
So now this is already close below, right? So the pressure of selling will be definitely there. Okay, so 10 मिनट के हिसाब से it is a close. So anything somewhere ये ऊपर जाने की कोशिश कर रहा है, right? So now our stop loss will be above 130.39. Above 139. While इसके नीचे एक बार इसके नीचे चला गया तो the selling pressure will be more. See this. ये एक लाइन को बना के रख देते हैं. Anything below 3670 अभी जब ऊपर से नीचे आएगा तो anything below 3670 we will go and sell this, not otherwise. Okay, ये first 10 minutes में यहाँ पे sell आ गया है लेकिन confirmation candle नहीं बना है. Okay, so confirmation candle नहीं बना तो we will have to wait now. When it starts to come back, then I want to sell at 3670. My first target will be 32 and फिर नीचे के साइड पे तो 35,914 हो सकता है straight. Okay, so wait for a confirmation and then you will see it going down very fast. अभी देखिए अगर 5 मिनट के रूल के हिसाब से जाते हैं तो वो ऊपर चला गया. Okay, डोजी आया, did not go below this 3670 levels. So I will have to wait for the price to go below 36070 levels to sell. Okay, in between वाले ट्रेड्स को आप नहीं पकड़ सकने वाले हो, बिलीव मी. नहीं तो ये गड़बड़ करेगा एंड देन आपको पता नहीं चलेगा बाई करूं क्या सेल करूं.
No trading zone.
No, it's a no trading zone, definitely.
Can we look at HDFC, sir?
Yesterday also the price was up and it continued to remain up. Today also the price is on the upper side. Nifty and Bank Nifty both are were on the upper side, so this remained on the upside. Okay. About the 10 minutes में इसके हिसाब से, okay, 60 minute के हिसाब से. So today let it go above for, there is technically it's a rally, base and a rally, again base and a rally happening, right? So will it sustain over there on the top? Okay, so this is a 60 minute का thing. Because it had fallen down so badly, तो 2-4 दिन का recovery आ रहा है इसमें. Yesterday there was a bullish engulfing and today the price is up. So now it needs to break this for you to go and sell, not before that. Okay, so please remember that जबरदस्ती का कोई भी चीज को sell मत करो, जबरदस्ती का कोई भी चीज को buy मत करो. You have to have a plan of action to either buy something or sell something, and then only the money will be made in the market. Okay, guys, thank you very much for joining me in the morning routine. Okay, wait for the right opportunity, and once the opportunity is there, then you take your chances okay, with a proper stop loss in place. And when the money is there, trail your stop loss, make money while the market is giving you the money, right? Thank you very much. Love you all. Take care. Okay. And have a profitable, enjoyable day.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Thank you
Take
very
care.
much.